Craving a cool, messy chic look? Discover the shag cuts that instantly boost volume and attitude. 1. Texturized Wolf Cut adds massive volume to flat hair, perfect for oval faces seeking a bold, edgy transformation. Low-maintenance layers frame the face beautifully, ideal for those wanting a rock chic vibe. 2. Platinum Mullet Shag, a daring choice that highlights strong cheekbones and suits cool skin tones perfectly. Offers a modern twist on a classic, ideal for expressing distinct individuality and confidence. 3. Curly French Shag enhances natural curls, giving a romantic Parisian flair suitable for all face shapes. Reduces bulk and thick hair while keeping length, creating a breezy, sophisticated silhouette. 4. 70s Retro Long Shag, perfect for creating movement in long hair. Suits bohemian aesthetics and square faces. Softens angular features with feathered layers, offering a timeless look that grows out well. 5. Choppy Razored Bob adds instant texture to fine hair, creating a fuller look that is effortlessly stylish. A versatile shortcut that frames the neck elegantly, perfect for a quick wash-and-go routine. 6. Wispy Medium Shag bridges the gap between bob and long hair, offering a soft look for heart-shaped faces. Provides a lightweight feel without sacrificing length, ideal for those transitioning styles. 7. Vivid Color Pixie Shag combines bold color with edge, perfect for adventurous personalities wanting to highlight eyes. Requires minimal styling while delivering maximum impact, great for low-maintenance lifestyles. 8. Heavy Layered Lob removes weight from thick hair, allowing for natural movement and a relaxed appearance. Works beautifully with natural waves, offering a structured yet messy look for professionals. 9. Soft Pastel Shag softens facial features with gentle hues, ideal for creative spirits looking for a dreamy vibe. Adds a playful dimension to the shag cut, making it a standout choice for younger demographics. 10. Wet Look Shag exudes high-fashion elegance, perfect for evening events or a sleek, defined finish. Controls frizz and volume while looking intentional and chic, great for humid climates.